Hey, hello friends. Welcome to my channel SAPSD and ABAP League Support. So, in the previous session, we discussed about how to capture the changes in the TR, but unfortunately, the system access that I have got is different with the TR, which is created in different system. Both are different systems. That's why I'm not able to capture anything. But if you follow the steps, then everything will be simple and same only. It's not that much complicated. Okay, once we complete the developments, then what should we do? What is the next step? The next step is that we need to release that task, not the main tier. So we should release the task out of that tier. Either it might be a workbench tier or it's a customizing tier. So once tier task has been released, then come to the normal change. So in the normal change, we need to set the status here to make this NC to, normal change to next level. So what we can do, we need to go to edit mode of the CNC, normal change, and you see there's an option. So here we have two options here, pass to test and withdraw. So withdraw means it will completely, it's kind of rejecting the complete NC. But we're not going to do that. So what we will do, we will try to make it to available for test. Pass to test, okay? If you click this one, and if you save this, and you see here now, the status updated as to be tested. Now is the responsibility of the tester. The tester needs to test this particular change, whatever implemented by the developer. Then they need to confirm whether everything is fine or not. So the tester will do the testing in the system. Then they will come to this NC, and what they will do, the testing has been done, they will make it to the next level. What they will do, they will go to the actions and they will confirm successful test. In some cases, there might be some defect or something wrong in the customization or not working as expected in the code level, then some changes needs to be corrected. Then in those cases, we can simply bring the status back to provide correction. If you click this one, then it will move to the status to 3, that is being corrected. As of now, we can assume that testing has been successfully done and no issues identified. Now the user, the tester will make it to next level by clicking this confirm successful test. Now save this one. Okay, now you see it has been successfully tested. Okay, now the next action for that developer. Now the activity with the user has been completed. Now the developer will come into the picture and he will go to the actions and hand over for deployment or request for preliminary import. Okay, so as of now, we'll make it for handover for deployment. So it is saying that the tester role cannot be identical to the developer. So it is saying that if I go to the details tab, here we can see that the developer and tester should not be the same person. That's what it is trying to mean here. Fine. So what we will do, we will try to mention that request preliminary input. Let's see what will happen now. Same thing it is saying. So what I will do, I will go to this developer section and update the username as different one. Let me search this one, Adams. Okay, now I will try to save this. Okay, now I'll go to actions again. You see now the status has been changed. Earlier it was successfully tested. Now it's become preliminary import requested. So whenever this change has been done, updated as an preliminary import request, then notification will be sent to the basis team. So basis team are the TDM, Technical Development Manager. Okay, for every system, TDM will be assigned and they need to take care of the transfer movement from one system to another system, mainly test system or test to production environment. Okay, let's move it to the next status. Here also we have two options here, whether approve it or reject the preliminary import. So let's make it as an approve now. Okay, now it's been approved. Now once it is approved, again let's save this one. Okay, you see, test for preliminary import. So now we will confirm the production import. Let's save this one. Remember, whenever we perform any actions on this NC or request for change, that should be saved. Then only those changes will be captured. If you simply update in the actions button, do nothing, then it won't work. We have to save that NCR request for change. Okay, now this is done. Now we will update again in the actions button to release preliminary import for production. Let me save this again. Okay, it is saying that release it for production. Now the changes has been successfully moved from quality to production. Now let's move to the another status now. If everything's working fine in production now it's sanctified means we can update this as an set to productive and save this one. Now it's productive and the last option status should be the completed status. Go to the actions again, click this complete, save this. That's it. So once it's completed, we can't withdraw this one. Either from productive step, either we can complete this or withdraw this. As everything successfully done, we have withdrawn this status. Okay, now let's go to the request for change. Fine then, that we can discuss in the next video. Thank you. Bye for now.